In this video, I will show you how to view or hide the to-do bar in Microsoft Outlook. The to-do bar in Outlook helps you keep track of your calendar, tasks, and contacts. If you want to customize your workspace, you can choose to show or hide it based on your preference. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook. Once you have it open, look at the top of your screen and find the ribbon menu. Click on the View tab. Now, look for the To-Do bar option. Click on it and you will see a drop-down menu. From here, you can choose what you want to display. You have the option to show the calendar, tasks, or people. If you want to see all of them, you can enable each one. If you prefer a cleaner view, you can turn them off. If you want to hide the To-Do bar completely, you can either select Off from the drop-down menu or click the small X in the corner of the To-Do bar panel. This will remove it from your view. If you ever want to bring it back, just repeat the same steps and choose the sections you want to display. That's all you need to do to show or hide the To-Do bar in Outlook. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching.